Like many of you, I woke up one morning with a sore throat and a heavy feeling in my chest that wouldn't go away. I know many of you are dealing with similar health issues, and just like you, I've experienced the same symptoms as well. I again opened my medicinal herbal books to find a tea remedy for this persistent sore throat. I couldn't believe that I felt better in just a few minutes. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make a natural remedy that can help soothe that annoying sore throat quickly and effectively, detox your lungs, and ease menopause-caused hot flashes and night sweats. Mother Nature has some incredible remedies to offer, and one of them is sage tea, the best tea for sore throat, lung, menopause, and other health issues, and one of the most magical superheroes for healing sore throats. And not only is it delicious, but it also has incredible healing powers. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I have 3 more natural remedy tips on how to heal your sore throat naturally. The main ingredient is of course sage, a fragrant herb that can help reduce inflammation and soothe your throat. Sage tea is easy to make at home using fresh or dried leaves and is excellent for many common or not common ailments. It contains hypoglycemic, antioxidants, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote brain, skin, and oral health. Sage tea is essential to easing menopause-caused hot flashes and night sweats. It also helps decrease your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease, among other crucial benefits, such as lowering cholesterol, boosting memory and prevents cognitive function, fighting inflammation, improving blood sugar control, promoting skin healing, relieving tonsillitis, and preventing certain types of cancer. Additionally, sage tea is excellent for expelling mucus from the respiratory tract. It has beneficial properties for improved digestive function, and accelerates circulation, digestion, and diuresis. It is suitable for treating inflammations such as pharyngitis and laryngitis as well as colds, since it has a mucolytic effect. It is an easy tea to make at home, so I'll show you how to make sage tea, a natural remedy that can help soothe that annoying sore throat quickly and effectively. The ingredients you'll need are the following: a handful of fresh sage leaves or 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried sage, 1 cup of boiling water, a teaspoon of good quality honey, and a lemon slice. Now, how to make sage tea to heal sore throat effectively and naturally. Boil some water in a coffee mug, and while the water is heating up, wash the fresh sage leaves and dry them gently with a paper towel. If you're using dried sage, you can skip the washing part. Once the water is boiling, carefully pour it over the sage fresh or dried leaves in a cup or mug. Let the sage steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, so you need to wait for the sage to work its magic. If you'd like a touch of sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of good quality honey, which makes it taste better and helps with the soothing effect. Add a slice of lemon or a bit of lemon juice for extra flavor and vitamin C. Now, sip your homemade sage tea slowly, as hot as possible, and enjoy the soothing sensation. Sage tea can be a great friend when you're feeling under the weather, and it's like a cozy hug for your throat. However, its use must be done with caution because there are cases of poisoning from excessive use, mainly due to the substance thujone in the plant. This chemical can cause seizures, liver, and nervous system damage. According to the permissible thujone limits the European Medicines Agency set, you should consume no more than 7 to 10 sage decoctions daily. An acceptable daily intake is 5 mg of sage and no more than 2 weeks of continuous intake. Due to its emmenagogue effect, it is not recommended for pregnant women because it can cause miscarriage. It should not be consumed by young children and for the same reason by breastfeeding women. There are more natural remedies to treat sore throat, but the best 3 that I use except sage tea are the following. Number 1, lemon gurgle. If you have a lemon handy, you can make a simple lemon gurgle. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Add a pinch of salt and stir. Gargle with this mixture for a few seconds, then spit it out. It may sound weird, but it can help kill germs and soothe your throat. Number 2, honey and cinnamon. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon, the best cinnamon. You can eat it with a spoon or simply spread it on toast. Both honey and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties that can help your sore throat. Number 3, Saltwater Gargle. This remedy is super easy and quick. Mix a teaspoon of salt with warm water and stir until the salt dissolves. Gargle with this solution for about 30 seconds, and then spit it out. It can help reduce swelling and ease discomfort. You're now armed with the power of sage tea and a few other natural remedies to battle that pesky sore throat. However, remember to rest and stay hydrated, and if your sore throat persists, it's always a good idea to see a doctor. Nature is an incredible source of remedies for various ailments, like a treasure chest waiting to be explored. These natural treatments help your body feel better and can be kinder to the environment. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, remember that nature's medicine cabinet is always open. And here's one more piece of advice: prevention is the best medicine. Eating healthy, staying active and washing your hands can help keep those sore throats at bay. But if one does sneak in, you now know how to make sage tea and have other tricks up your sleeve to feel better in no time. Keep exploring the wonderful world of natural remedies, and always be curious about the magic of Mother Nature. If you also have lung problems, a cough, mucus, and difficulty breathing from the cold or flu, watch this video on getting rid of the phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina. Stay happy and healthy, take care of yourself and feel better soon. Be always well and have a wonderful day and week.